7 o'clock now. Just left the accommodation and going to get... No, it's not 7, it's 8. Time has moved.
Oh yeah, we lost an hour's sleep last night, didn't we?
Yeah.
So that makes my clock finally right. It's been wrong for about 6 months. So
Okay.
correction, it is 5 to 8, and we're heading for the Holyhead to Dublin Ferry.
Yeah, so hopefully there isn't much wait or queue, and we don't really know how it's going to be like. I've done this one before, so hopefully there isn't much traffic.
We're half hour ahead of the end of check-in anyway, so the boat leaves at 9, they have to check in by past. So we should be good. We've got half hour's grace. There's no sign for motorcycles, so it must still be this way. Yeah, there's only one ferry. You can't get on the wrong ferry. Hello, mate.
Go to Terminal 5.
Go to Terminal 5, right, okay. Hey, mate.
They didn't even ask our passports or any ID. Very stress-free.
Mate, where are you? Where's he gone? Just wait a minute, so we need him to point us. Okay.
Into the corner, you'll see the other bike up there.
Okay. So see these dots on the end there? You go between them. We're going to follow it all the way to the end.
Just get your sheets level with the yellow there so you get a strap.
When boarding, the floor can be a little slippery, so gentle on the throttle and be careful to avoid the tie-down points on the floor. The staff will use ratchet straps to secure your bike in place. Make sure they use sufficient padding between the strap and your seat. When pulled tight, the straps will mark your seats and can rub during the journey. Don't be afraid to ask for extra pads and don't over-tighten the straps. Remember, it's your bike. Oversee them strapping it down and check that you are happy with it. Make sure your bike is left in gear. When booking your tickets for the ferry, you have the option to pay extra for a cabin. We didn't take it as the journey is only 3 hours 15 minutes long. On board is a restaurant, coffee shops, cinema and a shop which is well worth looking round for the duty frees. Eva found some perfumes there considerably cheaper than online. There's a smoking area and plenty of places to sit inside and out. We arrived on time, as per the ticket, and we paid for 2 bikes and 2 riders, £209 return. We found the ferry very easy and hassle-free, and we would recommend. There's also the option of Fishguard to Rosslare ferry if you prefer.
So the ferry over, that was very easy, wasn't it? We just booked it online, turn up, give them a name straight on, no ID, no passport needed, nothing like that, was it?
Yeah, the only thing I would say, food is absolute rubbish.
That was terrible.
I wish I bought a pasty or something, but didn't really have time or anywhere. Next time I'll definitely get myself ready.
A large breakfast on its own was £17.
Yeah, normal one was 12, but it was so bad.
It was shocking.
Do you know, maybe there is a restaurant though, in there that is actually nicer than we didn't see, but I doubt that.
Well, it did say that there was a Greek thing upstairs, but I suspect you're just going to get absolutely fleeced.
and probably just as bad.
It's definitely better to take your own food on, and it's only 3 hours.
They don't have to be good because they know they always have customers.
Yeah, well, you're trapped, aren't you?
You don't
Enough
have a
time to
choice.
kill.
If you're hungry, you don't have a choice.
I was talking to this fella on the KTM here, and he says that he decided in the pub, there's a bit of a bet that he could go around all 4 countries of the UK in 24 hours. So England, Ireland, Scotland and Wales, you're going to try to do all of them in 24 hours. That's some ride, isn't it, for the hell of it? That's amazing what us bikers do just for the hell of it. He'll still have a story to tell when he gets back, won't he?
We are finally out of Dublin. Made a bit of a mistake going through the town centre. Wanted to have a quick look, but it just took us too long. So we are finally on some A roads going
So we took
towards Cashel, are we? That's where accommodation is booked for the night.
So out of Dublin we took the M7 when we finally gave up trying to get through the city centre, and then we came off at Nass, and now we're following the smaller single roads, A roads if you like, or R roads I think they're called here.
Yeah, next time, if we ever do this next time, out of the ferry we could have gone into the motorway tunnel.
Yeah,
so it's the city, which we didn't know it would make such a difference. It's a
toll tunnel to get through there. You have to pay a toll, but it's going to save you at least an hour.
Yeah, there's no point looking over, unless, I think we could stop in Dublin. Maybe the last night, we'll see how it's going to work out. Have somewhere secured for the bikes and then see the city. But just riding through it just makes no sense. It's like any other huge city.
Like driving in London.
Riding, yeah,
you just want to abandon your car or your bike and get on public transport.
Yeah. So yeah.
Or walk. Quicker to walk.
Hopefully we're going to have some nice scenery in a minute. Finally arrived in our destination for the night. It's actually the countryside, quite nice. It did rain on the way down, but not for very long. Actually, the hosts are really nice.
Yeah, we're in a farmhouse in Cashel, or near Cashel. About
Yes.
2 hours from Dublin. A bit longer if you follow the back roads like we did. Which isn't worth doing, by the way. If you were going to head for the Ring of Kerry and Killarney National Park and stuff, which
From
obviously
Dublin,
you will.
if you're coming from Dublin.
Yeah, you definitely just take the motorway down if that's what you do. Follow the tunnel out, pay the toll tunnel, and follow the motorway down to the good stuff, because between Dublin and, well, where we are now, there's nothing worth seeing.
Well, there is a mountain bit just below Dublin, which we actually didn't go to, wish we have, but maybe on the way back.
Yeah, Wicklow Mountains, that's called.
But yeah, the Airbnb seems actually amazing. We got some homemade apple pie and cream.
But what's worse, yeah,
Love it. We've got all the teas and coffees, everything we can have, and snacks. It's just really nice. So yeah, I'm looking forward. The bed looks so comfy.
It is actually, I'm sounding very soft.
Yeah, last night wasn't so good.
No.
It's actually quite tired in the morning. Also, the time went forward, so maybe that's why.
Yeah, we lost an hour and we had to get up at 6 a.m, which is very early for us, so that we can make it on time to the ferry.
And there's the water from their own well. So good.
Awesome. So, plan tomorrow is to head down towards Killarney for the national park, and then we'll head off and do the Ring of Kerry and stuff like that. I don't know if we'll do that tomorrow. We'll see how we get on for getting to Killarney and seeing the park.
Yeah, the host lady just told us that the rainfall for this week is expected 300 times more than usual.
300% more than what's supposed to be.
300%, yeah. So
We could be getting wet.
hopefully we'll be fine. We'll see.
We've got waterproofs. No such thing as bad weather, only bad gear.
Okay, I'll remind you that tomorrow when it's pissing down.
Yeah. In the pub while we're drinking Guinness Zero. What's in the rain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, then see you again tomorrow.
See you in the
on
morning.
the road.